Hey, skincare enthusiasts! It's your boy Saqib back with another video, and today we're diving deep into the world of hyperpigmentation. We're talking about those pesky dark spots and stubborn marks that seem to have made a permanent home on your beautiful skin. Trust me, I've been there. But don't worry, because in this video, I'm sharing my personal top 5 ingredients that actually work to fade hyperpigmentation and give you that clear, radiant complexion you deserve. So if you're ready to say goodbye to hyperpigmentation and hello to a more even skin tone, keep watching. All right, let's kick things off with a superstar ingredient that's been making waves in the skincare world: Tranexamic Acid. Tranexamic Acid is truly a powerhouse when it comes to tackling hyperpigmentation. It works by inhibiting the production of melanin, which is the pigment that gives our skin its color. But here's the best part. Tranexamic acid is known for being super gentle on the skin. When it comes to incorporating tranexamic acid into your routine, you'll find it in various skincare products like serums, toners, and even cleansers. So if you're looking for a gentle yet effective way to combat hyperpigmentation, tranexamic acid is your new best friend. Next up, we have a skincare staple that needs no introduction: vitamin C. This potent antioxidant is like a tall glass of orange juice for your skin. It brightens, protects, and leaves you glowing. When we talk about fading hyperpigmentation, vitamin C is a true multitasker. It tackles existing dark spots by interfering with melanin production and shields your skin from environmental aggressors like pollution and UV rays. You want to look for a serum that contains a stable form of vitamin C, such as L-ascorbic acid. And a little pro tip: start with a lower concentration of vitamin C, around 10%, and gradually increase it as your skin tolerates it. Let me introduce you to another skincare superstar, niacinamide. Niacinamide, also known as vitamin B3, is like that overachiever friend we all have. It does it all. From minimizing pores to reducing redness, this ingredient truly deserves a standing ovation. Niacinamide works its magic by inhibiting the transfer of melanin to skin cells, preventing those dark spots from getting darker and more prominent. It also strengthens the skin barrier, which is crucial for preventing further pigmentation and maintaining an even skin tone. One of the things I love most about niacinamide is that it plays well with other ingredients. You can easily incorporate it into your routine alongside other brightening agents like tranexamic acid or vitamin C for a supercharged approach to fading hyperpigmentation. Now, this next ingredient is a godsend for my fellow acne-prone folks out there: azelaic acid. Azelaic acid is a gentle yet effective ingredient that tackles both concerns head-on. It's derived from grains like barley, wheat, and rye, and it works wonders in reducing inflammation, unclogging pores, and fighting off acne-causing bacteria. Azelaic acid also inhibits the production of tyrosinase, an enzyme involved in melanin production. Because azelaic acid is so gentle, it's generally well tolerated by most skin types, even those with sensitive skin. And here's a bonus tip: azelaic acid can also help reduce redness and inflammation associated with rosacea, making it a versatile ingredient for various skin concerns. Okay, we've arrived at the holy grail of any skincare routine, especially when it comes to hyperpigmentation: sunscreen. Remember guys, sunscreen is not just for sunny days at the beach. It's a non-negotiable, everyday essential, rain or shine, indoors or outdoors. Think of sunscreen as your skin's personal bodyguard, shielding it from the harmful UV rays that can trigger hyperpigmentation and undo all your hard work. When it comes to choosing a sunscreen, look for a broad-spectrum formula with an SPF of 30 or higher. This means it protects your skin from both UVA and UVB rays, the two main culprits behind sun damage and hyperpigmentation. And don't forget to apply it generously and evenly to all exposed skin, including your face, neck, ears, and hands. Make it a habit, just like brushing your teeth, and your skin will thank you for it in the long run. And there you have it, my friends. My top 5 ingredients for fading hyperpigmentation and achieving that radiant, even-toned complexion you've always wanted. But remember, consistency is key. Don't expect overnight miracles. Give these ingredients time to work their magic and be patient with your skin. Now, combining these ingredients correctly is key. Start with a gentle cleanser, followed by a serum that contains tranexamic acid, vitamin C, or niacinamide. Apply a lightweight moisturizer and always finish with sunscreen. If you enjoyed these tips, make sure to subscribe for more skincare secrets and let me know in the comments. Which of these ingredients will you try first? Subscribe for more skincare tips.